Welcome to the topic series. My name is Roy Paulson. Today we're going to talk about the QuickView series that we have that works with our different industrial face shields. The idea of the QuickView is that you would have a face shield, typically clear, and this clear face shield would then have a tinted section above, and this can be raised and lowered independent of the clear shield. So in this example, we have an IM9 face shield, which is 8 inches by 15.5 inches, and we have a QuickView attached to it. It attaches at the pivots. In this case, it's a shade 5 QuickView. These come in different lengths. This is a 4-inch length, and this is a 6-inch length. And so as the person is working in a dynamic work environment, and by what I mean by that is that they have different multiple tasks that they need to do. So let's say that you're in a steel mill and you have to have the shade 5 protection from the brightness of the furnaces, but you want to be able to raise your shield, your tinted shield, and still have the clear protection as you're doing other operations in the plant. So that's the idea behind the QuickView, is you can have a tinted shield, whether that's a shade 5 or a 3. In this case, it's a 6-inch gold shield, and you can attach it to your existing bracket and face shield. This happens to be a CB2 on an MSA V-Guard helmet, and the QuickView moves up and down out of your vision so that when you're facing the furnaces, you would have it down, and then if you're away from the furnaces, you would have it up but still have protection. Here we have an example of the IM20. So this shield has more generalized protection for you. It's deeper, wraps around further. But again, the QuickView attaches directly to it, and you can raise or lower it. I also have some of these more specialized QuickView versions. I know it might be hard to resolve in the video, but this is a cobalt blue color. And the cobalt blue came about, originally they made didinium blue, which was a glass formulation. Well, this cobalt blue is a plastic formulation, and it also has a shade 5 rating. What the cobalt blue does is it stops a particular wavelength of the sodium emission of the slag that's on the top surface of the molten steel. So when you look at that top surface, the slag will be floating on the top, and it's very bright. And this cobalt blue will absorb the energy from that particular brightness coming from that sodium that's laying on the surface, or slag on the surface, and block that so that you can see the surface of the steel, molten steel, more accurately. This happens to be a 6-inch version of a gold-coated shield, and it has a dark green base on the interior. So this gold-coated shield will also fit on either or both of those, and it's a 6-inch length, which gives you a greater depth. There's so many different work circumstances, we just have to make different lengths of these shields that are appropriate for the particular circumstance. So again, this is the QuickView product line, designed to fit both the IM9 and the IM20 series of face shields, shown here on a CB2 bracket, and on this helmet here we have it on a CB6 bracket.